Hello students, today we are going to see and we are going to start new unit. It is MOSFET. First we will see introduction to MOSFETs. MOSFET means it is the metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. In short, we called it as MOSFET, and it also known as the metal oxide silicon transistor, that is MOS transistor or MOS. It is a type of insulated gate field effect transistor which is fabricated by the controlled oxidation of a semiconductor, typically silicon. So this summary shows the invention of the MOSFET. It is invented in 1959 and first production is in 1960. The pin configuration, it has actually it is a three terminal, that is gate, drain and source, and one terminal is taken from the body, so here named as B. Before going to start actually MOSFET, we will see what are these FETs. We had briefly studied transistors, that is BJTs. We studied their configurations, their working principle, their characteristics. Okay, likewise these are types of transistor which uses an electric field to control the flow of current. तर आपण BJT मध्ये पाहिलं, BJT it is a current controlled device. If we control the current at a base, then the current provided at the base will control the function of BJT. Here this transistor it uses an electric field to control the flow of current. Here also three terminal, it is a three terminal active device. It has source, gate and drain terminals. They provide very high input impedance. They are known as unipolar transistors, or they are unipolar transistors as FETs use electrons or holes as a charge carriers in their operation, but not both. In FET, only one type of carrier are used, not both, so they are called as a unipolar transistor. If we compare it with BJT, in BJT there are two charge carriers, both the electrons and holes are the charge carriers, but in FETs only electrons or holes are the charge carriers, but not both, so they are called as the unipolar transistors. They are called as voltage controlled, as gate voltage controls the flow of drain current. In BJT, base current controls the collector current, while in FET, gate voltage controls the flow of drain current. These FETs are classified into two types, JFET and MOSFET. JFET, it is junction field effect transistor, and MOSFETs are metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors. JFET are again classified as N channel JFET, P channel JFET, and MOSFETs, that is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors, are classified as depletion type MOSFET and enhancement type MOSFET. The most widely used FET is a MOSFET, and it has a much higher input impedance than that of JFETs and BJTs. मोस्टली यूज केले जातात फेट, त्यामध्ये मॉसफेट आहेत, आणि मॉसफेटना त्यांचा इनपुट इम्पिडन्स जो आहे तो मच हायर असतो दॅन JFET and BJT. Now we will see MOSFET. MOSFET. It is a 3-terminal active device. The terminals are source S, gate G and drain D. They provide very high input impedance. They are unipolar and voltage controlled. Here the function of source, gate and drain is similar to emitter, base and collector of BJT. हे जे टर्मिनल्स आहेत मॉसफेटचे, सोर्स, गेट आणि ड्रेन, यांचं फंक्शन जे आहे ते बीजेटीच्या आपण जर टर्मिनलशी कंपेअर केलं तर सोर्स जो आहे तो इमिटर सारखा वर्क होईल, गेट बेस सारखा फंक्शन करेल आणि ड्रेन कलेक्टर सारखा. हियर सोर्स टर्मिनल इमिट्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स and the drain collects them, constitute the drain current ID. This flow of electrons from source to drain is controlled by voltage VGS. Here source terminal जे आहे ते इलेक्ट्रॉन इमिशनचं काम करतं and the drain collects them and constitute the drain current. ड्रेन टर्मिनल जे आहे ते इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कलेक्ट करेल and this flow of electrons from source to drain is controlled by the terminal gate, that is controlled by voltage VGS. Gate to source voltage will control the drain current. It has no PN junction. It uses the electric field of gate capacitance to control the channel current. यामध्ये पी एन जंक्शन नसणार आहे आणि याच्यामध्ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑफ गेट कपॅसिटन्स विल कंट्रोल द चॅनल करंट. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज टाइप्स ऑफ MOSFET. We had discussed already, there are two types of MOSFET, depletion MOSFET and enhancement MOSFET. This depletion and enhancement again categorized as N-channel depletion MOSFET, P-channel depletion MOSFET, and enhancement type MOSFETs are again classified as N-channel enhancement MOSFET and P-channel enhancement MOSFET. Here this shows the symbols of MOSFET. The first figure shows the depletion MOSFET and second one shows the enhancement MOSFET. Here the line in the MOSFET symbol between the drain and source connection represents the channel. This line represents the channel, we can see here. And if this line is solid continuous line, then it represents the depletion MOSFET, while if this channel line is not continuous, then it represents the enhancement MOSFET. We can see here in N-channel MOSFET the arrowhead is towards the channel, and in P-channel MOSFET the arrowhead on the source terminal is outward from the channel. As well as in enhancement MOSFET, same arrowhead in N-channel MOSFET is towards the channel, while arrowhead is outward from the channel. Okay, so we will stop here. In next lecture we will study the working principle of MOSFETs. Okay.